Why do healthy crops matter, and what's the impact of diseases on them? This might seem like a simple question, but the answers have profound implications for our food supply, our environment, and indeed our very survival. Diseases in crops are any abnormal conditions that alter the appearance or function of a plant. They disrupt a crop's normal growth, structure, or other activities, often leading to significant losses in yield and quality. But what causes these diseases? There are two main categories of causes: living and non-living. Living causes are various infectious disease agents, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These agents are living organisms, known as pathogens, that invade the plant and disrupt its normal function. These tiny invaders can wreak havoc on a crop, causing everything from mild discoloration to complete crop failure. On the other hand, non-living causes can be just as devastating. These include unfavorable environmental conditions such as extreme temperatures, excess or deficiencies of nutrients, flooding, drought, and excessive moisture. Even certain chemicals in the soil can lead to disease. So how can we tell if a crop is diseased? There are several key symptoms to look out for. These include wilting, yellowing, the appearance of brown or black spots on leaves, white powdery spots on leaves, dry and dead tissues known as necrotic spots, curling of leaves, rotting, unusual swellings, and retarded growth. These symptoms are the plant's distress signals, its way of telling us that something is wrong. By learning to recognize these symptoms, farmers can identify diseases early and take action to prevent them from spreading. But what can be done about crop diseases? The solutions vary depending on the cause. For diseases caused by pathogens, the answer often lies in careful management of the crop environment to prevent the pathogens from taking hold. This can include things like crop rotation, use of disease-resistant varieties, and careful use of pesticides. For diseases caused by non-living factors, the solutions often involve improving the growing conditions for the crop. This can mean adjusting irrigation practices, providing additional nutrients, or altering planting times to avoid extreme weather conditions. In summary, crop diseases are a serious threat to our food supply, but by understanding their causes and symptoms, we can take steps to prevent them and ensure the health of our crops. Whether caused by living pathogens or non-living environmental factors, these diseases can be managed and often prevented through careful, knowledgeable farming practices. This not only ensures the health and productivity of our crops, but also the health and well-being of us all.